Ever wondered how modern technology has revolutionized cattle farming? One of the key advancements is in breeding technologies. Traditionally, cattle breeding relied heavily on natural processes, but today's techniques are far more refined and precise. Take artificial insemination, for instance. This method allows farmers to select the best genetic traits from a pool of potential sires, enhancing the overall quality of the herd. By choosing the most superior traits, we can breed cattle that are healthier, more productive, and more resistant to diseases. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Genetic editing, carried out in high-tech laboratories, is another game changer. It enables us to tweak the genetic makeup of the animals, further enhancing their disease resistance and improving other essential traits. These advanced breeding technologies are not just about producing bigger, better cattle. They're about promoting sustainable farming practices that ensure the health and well-being of the animals. This precise method ensures healthier and more productive cattle. But it's not all about breeding. Modern cattle farms utilize automated feeding systems and advanced healthcare practices. In the world of large cattle farming, nutrition and healthcare have taken center stage, and for good reason. Automated feeding systems are a game changer. They ensure that each member of the herd receives a balanced diet, optimized for their specific nutritional needs. These systems have proven to be a boon for large cattle farming, enhancing efficiency and contributing to the overall well-being of the animals. It's like having a personal chef for each cow who knows exactly what they need to thrive. But nutrition is only one piece of the puzzle. Advanced healthcare practices have also made their mark in the industry. Drone-assisted monitoring, for instance, is an innovation that's making waves. With this technology, farmers can keep a close eye on their herd, detecting signs of illness early on. This means they can take action at the first sign of trouble, ensuring timely intervention. Think of it as having a team of flying doctors, constantly on the watch, ready to alert the farmer to any potential health issues. This not only helps individual animals but also prevents the spread of diseases within the herd, safeguarding the health of the entire farm. Advanced healthcare practices ensure timely intervention, preventing the spread of diseases within the herd. It's truly a new era for large cattle farming, where technology and care come together for the betterment of the industry. The integration of Internet of Things, IoT devices, plays a pivotal role in smart farming. Imagine a world where each cow on your farm is connected to the internet, sending real-time data about its health, behavior, and location. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's the reality of modern cattle farming. These wearable sensors, attached to the cattle, serve as the farmer's eyes and ears, providing crucial information at the touch of a button. If a cow is ill or distressed, the farmer knows instantly. If a cow wanders too far from the herd, the farmer can locate it without delay. This real-time data revolutionizes the way farmers manage their herds, ensuring the welfare of each individual animal and enhancing the productivity of the entire farm. But it's not just about data collection. Smart farming technologies go a step further with automated herding. These technologies use the data from the sensors to guide and manage the herd, reducing the physical labor required from the farmer. It's like having an extra pair of hands on the farm, always ready to assist. Automated herding technologies reduce stress on both the animals and the farmers, enhancing overall efficiency. By embracing these innovations, farmers can ensure the well-being of their cattle and the prosperity of their business. In the world of smart farming, technology truly is the farmer's best friend. As we conclude our exploration, it's evident that modern breeding and care techniques have elevated large cattle farming to unprecedented levels. We've seen how innovative breeding technologies, like artificial insemination and genetic editing, are shaping a new era in cattle farming, allowing for superior traits and disease resistance. We've delved into the benefits of advanced nutrition systems and healthcare practices, emphasizing their role in animal well-being and disease prevention. And we've marveled at the transformative power of smart farming technologies, from wearable IoT devices to automated herding, and how these are making the management of large cattle herds more efficient than ever before. These innovations are not only ensuring the welfare of these magnificent animals, but are also driving the prosperity of the entire industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of agriculture. Until next time. Happy farming!